AI is making your refrigerator louder. Artificial intelligence is straining our electric grid, making power quality worse and ruining household appliances. Near AI data centers, harmonic distortions, deviations from the ideal 60 Hz power wave, often exceed the 8% threshold, causing appliances like refrigerators to rattle, run louder, and wear out faster as motors endure extra stress, leading to costly repairs. AI data centers, powered by energy-hungry GPU chips like Nvidia's H100, consume power equivalent to small cities, with demand growing exponentially. Unlike traditional data centers, AI's intense sporadic power needs create grid instability, risking blackouts. As seen in a 2024 Virginia grid fault, where 1,500 megawatts dropped suddenly, grid operators struggle to balance this demand, and infrastructure upgrades lag behind. While AI drives up energy use and challenges climate goals, it could spur grid improvements, like battery storage, that also support renewables.